Get out! You! Up! You know my son! No! Don't come back!
只有我守着安静的沙漠。
Who the hell is this? I'm the type of nigga stand on business, nigga. One man arm and get 50, nigga.
I don't need a payday to kill you. I'd do it for fun.
Don't make her shit loose. Carved off in the pussy. Need a pair of shoes.
She gotta win. Goddamn. She gotta win. Goddamn. She gotta win.
What you said, nigga?
Man, like I said, that shit ain't got nothing to do with me, gang.
Nah, I don't feel like you standing on business, nigga. You had conversation with the nigga back
I'm
and
just
forth.
telling you what they told me. I came back and told you what
You ain't
going on.
standing on business.
It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It did. That's one thing.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, cause I thought I was gonna say, man, how that?
Shouldn't have played with the game, played with the game. Should have stayed in your lane, stayed in your lane. But you kept playing them game, playing them game. But still a man gonna remain, man, I remain. I have to be ready.
Towards your door. Is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one?
So my question to you is, are you sleeping at night, son? Like a baby.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just cause you don't like the way another nigga talk.
Beg for mercy. We're pretty good at that, right? They're gonna slaughter another innocent hybrid live on my show with my face. I won't allow that. Now it's time for me to meet Ramon.
I feel like Kurt. Maybe this bitch gon' kill me.
Have a good one, bro.
Justice, you got the framing right?
Gotcha, bro.
All right.
Last
framing
words?
good? Love you, boys.
See ya.
Ready?
Bye, guys.
3, 2, 1. See ya.
Rejected me. I've twisted myself into knots for so long, all to try justifying my life.
He's hit! Leon! You get that ambulance out here, you tell him there's an officer down, you do it now! don't you be holding back. Your love, don't you be holding back.
Slime too so she need a hard no slime. Yeah, you think I'm crazy, huh?
The homeless men aren't ready for this combo.
Cause those hazard lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you